Good day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about operations on functions. So at the end of this video, you should be able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide functions. So here are the notation for function operations. So this notation stands for the summation of two functions. So let's say we have f of x and g of x. Okay, and this notation is for subtraction. Okay, difference of two functions. Okay. For multiplication, we have f of x times g of x. And for division, we have f of x over g of x. Of course, g of x should not be equal to 0, or the denominator, okay, should not be equal to 0. It will make the notation or the expression undefined. I will show you some examples of solving operations on functions. So we'll start with addition first. Okay. Given this g of x equals 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 and h of x equals 2x plus 7, simplify g of x plus h of x. So here we can just substitute g of x and h of x with their respective values. Okay. G of x is 3x squared plus 5x plus 1, while h of x is 2x plus 7. So after this, we can now combine similar terms. Okay. So here we can just bring down 3x squared since there is no other similar term of 3x squared, and 5x. Okay. 5x and 2x are similar terms, so we can combine them to 7x, then 1 plus 7. This is now the simplest form of g of x plus h of x. Okay. Take note that a polynomial function, okay, a proper way to write a polynomial function is to write it in decreasing order of exponents. So in this example, we start with positive 2, positive 1, and 0. Okay. Let us now proceed to subtraction. Okay, there's a bit difference between addition and subtraction. In subtraction, we cannot combine similar terms immediately. We need to distribute the minus sign first, or the negative sign. So, same process pa rin naman, g of x, okay, turned into 3x squared plus 5x plus 1, and h of x into 2x plus 7, based from the given. Okay. So here again, we cannot just combine like terms. Okay. We need to consider the minus sign. Okay. This indicates that you have to minus this group. Okay. So let's simplify. 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 minus 2x minus 7. Okay. So minus 2x minus 7. Okay. Now, after this, you can now combine similar terms. Okay. So 3x squared and 3x squared. And just bring down 3x squared because there is no other similar term. 5x and negative 2x is positive 3x. Positive 1 and minus 7 is negative 6. So this is now the final answer. Simplest form of g of x minus h of x. Let's have another example on subtraction on functions. So here we have the given g of x equals 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. And h of x equals 4x plus 9. Now simplify h of x minus g of x. So medyo iba na to dun sa nauna. Okay? So dito, ang subtrahend na natin is yung g of x. Okay? So same process pa rin naman, substitute uh, h of x and g of x with their corresponding values. H of x is 4x plus 9 minus g of x is 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. Okay. Then, before we combine similar terms, we have to distribute the negative sign first, or the minus sign first. Distribute, distribute, distribute. Okay. So, bring down 4x plus 9, and minus 3x squared, and minus negative 5x will be positive 5x, or plus 5x, minus negative 1 is plus 1. Okay. So, this is the reason why using grouping symbol is important when substituting. Kailangan natin 'yan para hindi kayo malito kapag nagsusubstitute kayo. Okay. Then after this, we can now combine similar terms. Okay. Let's start with negative 3x squared because it has the highest exponent of x. So negative 3x squared, 4x, and 5x. We have 9x. Positive 9 plus 1 is positive 10. This is now the final form of h of x minus g of x. Okay, let's try some multiplication on functions. So, given g of x equals 4x minus 2 and h of x equals 2x squared minus 5x plus 6, simplify g of x times h of x. So again, substitute g of x with its value. So 4x minus 2 and times 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. To multiply expressions, we have to use distribution property. Okay, in distribution property, we have to distribute each term in the multiplicand to the multiplier. So here we have 4x times 2x squared, 8x cubed, 4x, and negative 5x, and negative 20x squared, 4x to 6, we have positive 24x, negative 2 to 2x squared, we have negative 4x squared, negative 2 or minus 2 to minus 5x, we have positive 10x, and negative 2 to positive 6 is negative 12. Now, combine similar terms. We can just bring down 8x cubed. And here we have minus 24x. X squared plus 34x minus 12. Okay. This is now simplest form of g of x times h of x. Okay, proceed tayo dito sa division on functions. So here we have g of x over h of x. where g of x equals x squared plus 13x minus 30, and h of x equals 2x plus 30. So, same process, similar way, x squared plus 13x minus 30. So that is our g of x, and h of x naman natin is 2x plus 30. Now, dito sa division, kakailanganin nyo yung factorization. Okay? So, kailangan marunong kayo mag-factor ng isang expression. Okay? So, x squared plus 13x minus 30 can be written as x plus 15, okay, product of x plus 15 and x minus 2. So, and 2x plus 30, okay, we can write 2x plus 30 into 2 times x plus 15. Okay. So, here we can now simplify by canceling x plus 15 and x plus 15. Yeah. We can now simplify this into x minus 2 all over 15. Yeah. Ito na yung final form ng g of x over h of x.